Host, ever dream of being financially intertwined with your best friend? Sharing a virtual piggy bank where you both save for that epic vacation or that dream car? Well, hold on to your wallets, because today we're diving into the world of joint accounts. Specifically, can you add someone to your Ally account? Let's face it, traditional banking can feel a little, well, traditional. Stuck in the past with limited options. But Ally? They're all about innovation, making your financial life easier, and sometimes that means sharing the wealth or responsibility with someone you trust. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's be real, joint accounts aren't for everyone. You need to be on the same financial page with the other person. Communication, transparency, and trust are key. Think of it like that epic road trip you planned with your college buddies. Remember when things got a little tense because someone ate all the last bag of chips? Sharing an account can be similar. So, if you're unsure about someone's spending habits, maybe hold off for now. Music fades out briefly. But if you have a partner, a family member, someone you completely trust to handle finances responsibly, then a joint Ally account could be a great option. Here's why. Benefit number 1. Teamwork makes the dream work and saves more money. Let's say you're saving for a down payment on a house. A joint account allows both you and your partner to contribute regularly, visualizing that goal together. It fosters accountability and keeps you both motivated. Plus, with Ally's competitive interest rates, that dream house might be closer than you think. Benefit number 2, shared expenses made simple. Paying rent, utilities, groceries, these shared expenses can be a real hassle. With a joint Ally account, you can set up automatic bill payments, ensuring everything gets paid on time without the constant back and forth of who owes who. It streamlines the whole process and eliminates those awkward forgot to pay the electricity bill moments. Benefit number 3, building credit together. This is a big one, especially for young adults or those looking to improve their credit score. Responsible use of a joint Ally account can actually help both parties build a strong credit history. Just remember, on the flip side, any missed payments or irresponsible spending will also affect both of you. Music fades in, upbeat and light. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, can you add someone to your Ally account? The answer is a resounding yes. Ally makes it simple and convenient to add a joint owner to your checking or savings account. You can do it all online or through their mobile app. Just be sure you have the other person's basic information handy, like their social security number and date of birth. Here's a quick rundown of the process. Log into your Ally account online or through the app. Navigate to the Manage Accounts section. Find the account you want to add a joint owner to and select Add Joint Owner. Enter the other person's information and follow the on-screen prompts. Once everything is verified, Ally will finalize the process. Music fades out briefly. Important things to remember. Once someone's a joint owner, they have full access to the account, just like you. This includes making deposits, withdrawals, and even using a debit card. Make sure you have a clear understanding with the other person about how the account will be used and any spending limits. Ally offers fantastic online resources and tools to help you manage your joint account effectively. Music fades in, upbeat and light. So, there you have it. Adding someone to your Ally account is a breeze. Remember, a joint account is a great tool for shared goals, streamlined expenses, and even building credit together. But, as always, communication and trust are crucial. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.